Product data reuse is one of those tasks that engineers perform on a regular basis in manufacturing companies. On this video, I'm going to show you how by using Inforbix you can find, reuse, and share product data quickly and easily. And it requires no special skills. Let's get started. I'm on the Inforbix Home app, and I'm going to come and click the Find Data icon, which takes me to the Inforbix Search app. I'm going to be looking for bolts and all the items related to bolts. So here Inforbix has returned the item that I'm looking for, and now I search in located in. I'm going to click the located in so I can easily browse and navigate information. And now I find that Inforbix has located a drill press folder for me. And I'd like to know what it contains, because it is within that folder that I might find the product data or the CATIA documents in this case that I might be looking for. And you can see that I can go ahead and browse through this. I see that, in fact, just as an aside, that some of these items, this particular item, has an AutoCAD file related to it. And this item here has an Excel item related to that. But I digress. Let me continue. So now that I have found various elements of product data that might be helpful for me to reuse, I'm going to create a report. And I'm going to now click the table application. And what this does is it helps me format the information I just found in the form of a virtual report that I can share, and it'll be easy and meaningful for me to view. And I can also customize this particular report. Let me show you how. I'm going to, on the fly, just choose some of the columns that are going to be meaningful to me. So I'd like, in addition to the other information I might have, I'd like to know when these items were last modified and last saved, right? And also, I'd see here last access. So this information might all be very interesting to me as part of the reuse case. So you see how easy I can just modify and change the columns. Just a simple bit of drag and drop. Now I have here the table that I want. So I have the last modified, last saved, last access. If I wanted to go ahead and filter these, I can go ahead and do so. I'm not going to do so in this case. But what I am going to do is I'm going to save this table. So this is my CATIA reuse table. And I'm just going to go ahead and save that. Now when I save that, what it means is I can recreate this table instantly with exactly these very fields, parameters, and attributes. But what I want to now do is take you to my stuff, because we have found the information we wanted to reuse, and now I want to share it. So I'm going to go to my stuff. Now my stuff, you can think of it as similar to Google Docs, and here on my stuff I see that I find not only other things that I have saved and used in the past, but I have the CATIA reuse table. I'm going to go ahead and click that just to convince you that if I click it, I can recreate instantly that very same table that I had before. So now I'm going to go back, and you notice that I go up to the upper left-hand side here, and I'm going to just go back to my stuff. And what I'm going to do is I want to share this report, this table, with other people in my team, because I'd like to make sure that they have the benefit of being able to access these very pieces or elements of product data for the product that might require the reuse. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go ahead and add some people. So I want to add Daniel, which is a colleague. So I'm going to go ahead and share this with him. And the other one I'd like to do is I'm just going to go ahead and add one more person. I'm going to go ahead and add, let's see, I'm going to add Anatoly, a good colleague of mine. So now what I've done is I've added these two individuals to the share list that will be able to access this information. On their My Stuff, they're going to be able to see that this particular table is shared with them. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back home, and there you have it. So I have been able to find a piece of information. I've been able to quickly ascertain whether it's something I can reuse, and I've been able to share that information and collaborate it with others. That's how easy Inforbix is to use. Thank you.